I hope everyone is doing great. Today, technical analysis for Bitcoin price. We will be mixing the on-chain analysis with the actual charts and seeing what's happening with Bitcoin. So let's start with the on-chain analysis. So looking here, to be honest with you, me personally, I'm bearish. I think we should go down a little bit to retest. Why is that? Because as you see here, we have 97% of people are in profit. So that means there's a lot of people are in profit, which indicate that a lot of people might sell their position to take profits, especially that if we look at the Bitcoin charts on a long time frame, we see that back in 2019, there's a lot of people who bought at this point somewhere here, and all these people who bought at this point, they had to wait all year long for it to get to this level right now where they are looking to sell. So you got to keep that in mind. And the other thing that I would like to mention here, if we go down to the signals, the on-chain signals, it's giving bearish. That's of course because if we want to look at like the profit, if we want to look at the hodlers, the price that went up, like if we look at Bitcoin right now, in a month we went up almost 50%. So looking at it here from October 7th to here to the top, that's 50%, which is a lot. We need to retest. We need to look at like a nicely 10-15% down would be amazing from this point, like going 10, to the price of like 14,000. I would say a good point. That's why I have my support here as well. This considered a good support, so that's like 13%. I'm guessing that we can go to 13,800, around 14,000, and then bounce up again. How long it will take, we'll have to see. But overall, the market is bullish. Like we have to go up to 20K within the next, I would say, 2-3 months. So we got a lot of time. So on-chain signals is showing bearish. Exchange signals, on the other hand, is showing very bullish. Why is that? That's of course because people, when they hear the news, everything happening around with how Bitcoin is doing great, stocks are going down, but Bitcoin is going up. You see the total inflow to the exchanges increasing over the last 7 days. The total outflow as well increasing because people using the exchanges to buy and then take it out on a cold storage. If we look here, for example, another metric, the fear and greed index, we are at 88, extreme greed, which usually when it's extreme greed, you're looking at the price to go down. When it's extreme fear, you're looking at the price to go up. And if we bring the over time, like the fear and greed index, you see here we're at like almost highest level, 90, which is very, very high. Usually when it touches 90 and above, it's an indicator that it has to go down. If we look at the last time we were there, since February 2018, because that's the maximum it gets, we're looking at 92. It was on June 9, 2019, which is back where we had it here. So if we look into the charts very quickly based on the 1 hour chart, we see that it's a bit trending down. The RSI was high here and now it's trending down to cool off a little bit. And the other interesting thing here is the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance, we have touched a line that we've been trending on for a while, since August 2019, or I would say the highest high we touched here and then we start going down, touch it here, go down, touch it. That's the dominance of Bitcoin in terms of altcoins. So guys, this is what's going on in the near future. To be honest with you, in the near future for Bitcoin, I think we should retest down a little bit somewhere here and then go up from there. Now if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, turn on the bell so you get the news right away once it's out. See you tomorrow.